Hello students, today we are going to talk about general anesthetics. What are these? Anesthesia is a state of insensibility in which there is loss of consciousness accompanied by partial or total loss of sense of pain in body. General anesthetics are the central nervous system depressants which produce anesthesia. These act in the controlled manner and produce reversible depression of CNS. These are used to produce anesthesia before a surgical operation or in obstetrics. The ideal anesthetics must be able to produce features like unconsciousness, analgesia, and muscle relaxation property. So there are two classifications of general anesthetics. First, inhalation anesthetics. Second, intravenous anesthetics. And first of all, we will discuss about inhalation anesthetics. What are these? Inhalation anesthetics are liquid of volatile nature used by inhalation, which first reach the lungs and then distributed to alveolar spaces, to the blood, and finally to the brain, where they produce anesthesia. And common examples are ethers, halogenated hydrocarbons, and gaseous compounds. Next, ethers. What are ethers? Anesthetic ethers is a diethyl ether containing a suitable non-volatile stabilizer in a proportion not greater than 0.02% weight by weight. Okay, and this is the main compound diethyl ether in the category of ether, and IUPAC name is ethoxyethane, and its properties are: it is clear, colorless, volatile, and highly flammable liquid with characteristic odor and sweet burning taste. It is soluble in 10 parts of water and miscible with alcohol, chloroform, benzene, and with fixed volatile oils. It is slowly oxidized in air to peroxides, which are harmful and explosive in nature. Hence, preservatives like 0.02% weight by volume hydroquinone, propyl gallate, sodium propyl gallate are added. Next compound is halogenated hydrocarbons. Halogenated hydrocarbons include chloroform, halothane, trichloroethene, and ethyl chloride. And next, you can see the chemical name of halothane. It's fluothane. IUPAC name is 2-bromo-2-chloro 1,1,1 trifluoroethane. And its properties are: it is clear, colorless, volatile, non-flammable, dense liquid without any odor and taste, sweet burning taste. It is slightly soluble in water and miscible with chloroform, ether, trichloroethylene, absolute alcohol with fixed volatile oils. It is decomposed by light. And its storage condition is: it must be stored in well closed light resistant container with a temperature of 8 degree to 15 degrees Celsius. And we know its uses: as it is volatile anesthetic, it is used for generating anesthesia. Next is trichloroethylene, which is also known as triylene. IUPAC name is 1,1,2 trichloroethane. Properties: it is clear, colorless, blue liquid, chloroform like odor and taste. It is insoluble in water, miscible with chloroform, ether, trichloroethylene, absolute alcohol with fixed volatile oils. It is decomposed by light. Storage condition is similar to last compound. It should be stored in well closed light resistant container with temperature range between 8 degree to 15 degrees Celsius. And gaseous substances, which includes cyclopropane, ethylene, nitrous oxide. In this we would start with cyclopropane. As you can see the structure, IUPAC name is trimethylene. And properties: it is inflammable, colorless gas at atmospheric pressure with characteristic odor, soluble in alcohol, chloroform, and ether, non-irritant, anesthetic with rapid induction and recovery. It is flammable gas, and its mixture with oxygen or air at certain concentration is explosive. So it has some basic storage condition. It is available in metal cylindrical cylinder in compressed form. It must be stored in cylinder, which should be painted orange bearing this name or chemical symbol and kept in cool place. Use: it is no longer used as anesthetics. Next, we would discuss about intravenous anesthetics. So what are these? Intravenous anesthetics have following properties. Okay, they are administered parenterally, means intravenously. Their actions are rapid as produce unconsciousness immediately after the administration. Their action depends upon the dose administered. They provide flexibility and permit their administration with the lower dose of inhalation agents. And these are the examples of intravenous anesthetics. Thiopental sodium, mixture of sodium salt of thiobarbiturate and anhydrous sodium carbonate. Brand name is Pentothal या Intravel. IUPAC name sodium 5-ethyl 5-1-methylbutyl 2-thiobarbiturate. Properties: yellowish white hygroscopic powder with characteristic allicinaceous odor and it's bitter in taste. It is freely soluble in water. This solution for injection is prepared by dissolving immediately before use. The sterile content of a sealed container in the appropriate amount of water for injection. Next substance is methoxytone. Its brand name is Brital and IUPAC name is 5-allyl 1-methyl 5-1-methylpent-2-yl barbituric acid. Properties are similar to the last product. It is white or faintly yellowish crystalline powder, slightly soluble in water. Its sodium salt is a white crystalline powder which is soluble in water. It is 3 times potent than thiopentan sodium. It is alkaline to litmus and incompatible with thiamine, hydrochloride, sodium lactate injection and acidic substance. So this is all for today.